Hello, today we'll discuss a very simple topic, one that we could have done without, but I dedicate to record it, as we are building a comprehensive roadmap that will guide you on how to properly develop in the field of test automation. If you plan to work in the IT sector, you need to know how to use source code management. We'll go over how to create an account and set up your first repository on GitHub. You also can use GitLab. So, why do we need GitHub, GitLab or another version control system? The most common reason is the ability to have multiple developers work on the code. You can also use it to store your projects so that future employers can see what you are capable of. It can also serve as a repository for your code, so you don't have to carry around a USB stick and can keep everything online. All these needs can and should be met by using a version control system. To register, you need an email and a bit of time. Go to the GitHub site. Click Sign Up, that is Register. Here we enter our email. Create a security password. And come up with our username, which will be the name of our account, so be thoughtful. Now you need to confirm the email. Go to your mailbox, copy the code sent to you, and paste it into this field. Answer a few questions and choose a version. I recommend choosing the free one. To create a repository, press the Create Repository button. As you can see in our login, which we have already entered, will be there. Now name our project and etc. the repository. Here we have two options, public, which is free and visible to everyone, and private, also free, but this is a limit of the number of projects in the free version. Private will only be visible to those users you allow access to, grant permission. I almost always choose public, which I recommend to you as well. The rest of these fields are optional. You can add a description of your project in the description field, create a README file, a gitignore file, choose a license. If you are interested in how this works, you can learn more from our playlist. For now, we'll only cover the mandatory points. Press the Create Repository button. Congrats, your project is created. To learn how to work with it further, watch our upcoming videos. Have a great day. Join to our community.